Welcome back to Dat Drop. Today we've got £500 to play with, and we're going to be opening one of a case, just the same case for the entirety of the video. So I think we're going to do the Ice Storm cases actually. Let me just work out how many Ice Storm cases I can actually do. So I've got £500 divided by 25, so I can open 20 of these. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. I can open 20 Ice Storm cases. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and we're going to see if we can make some profit. Maybe we can get some high tickets. Let's see here. We can get. Oh, there's a good few things we can get here. I think anything upwards from this point is good. So there's 5%, so let's call that 20, 30, 40, 50% down there, 50, 70, so let's just say that 70% chance to lose your money, and then 30% to win your money, but obviously there's a $25 case, you can get upwards of like $400 with this, so we're going to do a few in one. I think we're going to do about 10 cases, just doing it one by one, and then we can do 5 too. I think that'll be good there. So the first one, see what we get. Okay, well, not the best start, but obviously if we did get this, that would be the loss of our money. We actually do want to try and get some profit at the end of the video. We're aiming for above 400. I know it's a bit unrealistic to always assume you're going to make money back by opening, by just spending all your balance, because you have to use a strategy. So we're going to open another one. Just see what we get. Hoping for something good. Okay, well that's really the last one. But let's just go again. Oh, well. That's 3 really bad drops to begin with. So that's already $75 gone. I think we've probably made back about 15. So let's go for the next one. We've got $400 left after this one. Yeah, that's what we got. Okay. That's not bad though. We've lost $100 so far, so it's not massively off track. Still a $10 game, but yeah, again, every deal helps. I know we're losing $15 a time, but if we get one high ticket, again. Let's go for another one. I'm going to do another one after this, and then I'm going to do 2 in a row, 2 at a time. Yep, another bad one. Let's go for the last one on its own. Alright, that was a good rock. I got $75, so I'm not going to check my balance yet. Yeah, you can see that, I just opened that one. I'm not going to check my balance yet. I'm going to wait until the end of the video, and then we can see how much we've left on. So we've got $300 left. I'm thinking if we do it 2 at a time, we can do this 6 times. Alright, here we go. Okay, that's not good. So that was $50, we lost about 33. So let's go again, another $50. We didn't make our money back, we lost about 11 there, or 10.28 if you want to work it out perfectly. That's terrible. I think this is probably the worst video I've made so far. That was $15, so we lost another 35 there. Okay, that's a little bit better. We made 15 there, 14.93. That's not too bad, so we can do this another 2 times, and it's time to check our balance. Okay, yet again, lost. It's not going well today, honestly. Let's go again. And we made money back on that one. We made $12.26, so we've lost a lot of money in this video. Let me remind you again, this is a sponsored video, so Dat Drop provided me with this balance. so I will not actually be able to withdraw it. So for the final check, we're gonna have a look at our final balance in 3, 2, 1, 357. Okay, well that's not what I was hoping for, but I mean it's not. I didn't lose it all. I lost 140, 145 around that, which is a lot of money to lose. But then again, it's just life, I guess. Right. So thank you for watching the video. Be sure to use the code BleachBoy for an extra 5% deposit bonus. What's that down? So you just type in BleachBoy, and obviously I can't use my own code. So if you use that code, you'll get a 5% extra deposit bonus on your next deposit. And once I've received a decent amount of referrals, I will actually be able to make the code unlimited, so that the same person can use it as many times as they want. But at the moment, it's limited to 1 time per user, just until I get a few referrals. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.